Can we all just take a moment to bond over the mess of scraps and threads in our sewing spaces? Hello, I'm Allie, the literary sewist. Here in my crafting castle, I create projects inspired by the books I read. Since I need to be a little bit tidier for my videos, I decided I need to help myself out, so I'm going to help you out. I've self-drafted this pattern for a cute little scrap catcher, so come with me. I will also leave links in the description below so you know where you can get a copy of this pattern for free. These measurements are specifically for my serger, but you can really use them on any sewing machine, or you can adapt it to meet your needs. Just be sure to tag me in your photos once you make one. I'd love to see what you come up with. First, apply the interfacing to all of the backing and basket pieces. I'm using Pellin SF101. Anything woven and fusible will work. On both basket pieces, mark a 3.5-inch square at 2 corners along one of the long sides. This will be the bottom of the basket. Cut out the corners. Do not cut past your marks. Bring the edges of your corners together and clip in place. Sew the corners with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Start at the outer edge and work toward the fold. Clip the fold, but do not clip through the threads. Then nut off the threads and press open the seam allowance. Turn the exterior basket right sides out. With the corner seam allowances open and wrong sides together, line up the seams for the exterior and interior baskets. Baste the baskets together, then trim the top edges so the edges are flat. Take your unfolded bias tape and line up the raw edge with the top edge of the basket interior. Sew as close to the first fold of the bias tape as possible. Fold the bias tape over the edge toward the exterior, enclosing the raw edges and covering the stitches. Top stitch as close to the edge of the bias tape as possible. Take both backing pieces wrong sides together and baste 3 sides together. Slide the cardboard into the backing all the way to the end. Sew a line parallel to the cardboard about 1/4 inch away. Mark the bottom center of the basket and the open end of the backing. Match up the marks and clip the basket to the backing. When you get to the corners, you will slightly curve the edge. It helps to clip the seams of the basket. Baste the basket to the backing. Trim off the backing corners around the basket. Take your unfolded bias tape and line up the raw edge on the back side. When you get to the corners, leave a tiny bit of wiggle room for folding over. When you reach the beginning, fold over one end by 1/2 inch, then overlap the other end. Sew as close to the first fold of the bias tape as possible. When you get to the corners, stop with the needle down and lift the presser foot. Rotate the project, then fold over the bias tape at a 90-degree angle, then continue sewing. Fold the bias tape over the edge toward the front, enclosing the raw edges and covering the stitches. Make sure you fold over nice and tight. At the corners, you will want to tuck in the corners by folding the excess under the top edge, then folding down at a 45-degree angle. Top stitch as close to the edge of the bias tape as possible. And you're all done! I may just be a little bit in love with this project. I might even think about making one for every season or holiday. Who knows? Could be fun. If you think that's a great idea or you're in need of a good scrap catcher, please give this video a thumbs up. Then pop on over here for even more sewing tutorials, tips, and tricks. We'll see you next time.